When Satima Inu coin will get listed on the exchanges. Satima Cytomask audit completed. Cytomask audit certified to the Cytomask wallet is almost 100% complete. Certain major exchanges could be deciding what exchanges will be at this point. When can we anticipate the listing to appear? Then stay tuned to the final part of this video since I'll go over everything you should be aware of. Satima will be listed in exchanges. I have got some exciting news to share with you today's video, and it's especially exciting because we'll be discussing forthcoming exchange listing. Some experts have a strong consensus that Satima will receive, particularly with the Cytomask audit close to completion. We have already learned that the threat of an audit is likely to bring a flood of investors. However, the ones who find Satima appealing after the audit, large exchanges may be looking to get a piece of the Satima action as well. We are aware that one component of the FOMO wave will be investors as usual, but the other will be those exchanges among the top 3 to 5. Have you noticed our rise and expansion? A theory circulates that exchanges are watching the audit to determine whether the Cytomask meet security standards, resulting in exchanges being able to list Satima. But according to theory, we are aware that in the world of crypto, exchanges can often employ unsavory methods. Due to the absence of rules to get into the market, there is a possibility to reduce the volume. Cytomask and back on their exchanges, it would allow the exchanges to list during launching the Cytomask exchange, which they could earn. What happened in Shiba Inu coin? We saw this happen when we looked at Shiba earlier in the year when Binance made a move and listed Shiba within a few hours of its announcement about the swap, which came shortly after other exchanges like Crypto.com listed Shiba. The price started up. Satima FOMO. There is a clear sequence of trading platform waiting for a surge of FOMO to enter. It makes sense from the business perspective, and they are eager to join with all other people from this perspective. You will understand the reasons why we are almost 100% sure that Satima Inu is bound to be on the major exchanges in the near future. Why is this development so important? It is quite simple. Central exchanges will provide Satima Inu with massive exposure to thousands of institutional and retail investors. It will result in a huge trading volumes and a rise in tokens value. Will Binance listing Satima? Which exchange is used? Well, rumors are suggesting that it may be a matter of speculation. Reports are making the rounds suggestion that Binance may include Satima on their platform after receiving certificates. Cytomask influencer shared details about the developments, saying that Binance will list Satima after the Cytomask audit. Does this mean that the Binance listing Satima is coming soon? Will they be listed before the SETRIC process is completed? Binance has SETRIC as its own, therefore they are on the lookout for a listing. Prepare for fireworks. It will cause an incredible price run. Tweet Quantum Satima. A listing on a financial institution could be revolutionary for Satima. Does Binance include Satima in its listing? Has the exchange officially announced anything? But keep an eye on it and you'll know. But before I address your query, let's examine what will take to get Binance to include the Satima as well. According to an article posted on Binance.com, being listed would begin by filing out the application. The evaluation will be handled through the Chief Executive Officer of the project. Following that, it is done, the Binance team will begin their analysis. It takes a bit of time since the team is eager to perform due diligence. However, they advise that if the team is efficient and professional in their evaluation process, it may be speedier. Now, three requirements must be met. When applying for a listing, you should report the progress of your project to the community and us frequently, each week or every week. Even after you have incorporated BNB USD in your ecosystem or raised BNB USD through your sport finance within your community, it is essential. To the best of my understanding, Setima runs on Ethereum blockchain. The BNB BUSD system isn't integrated with Setima. Setima ecosystem. Does that mean Binance isn't able to list? Binance can sometimes include projects that are not eligible to be listed when they are well known enough. According to Binance CEO, if your product is well known and has a substantial user base, then exchanges will be able to list it without the need for anyone to apply for a listing. No rules say that we won't publish coins. This implies that it is possible that Setima can build enough hype and get enough users talking about it. Then Binance could list Setima with no team using it. When will Binance start listing Setima? There hasn't been any official announcement from Setima or Binance, which doesn't mean anything positive or negative. Typically, when a token is listed, there is no information available about it. The listing going to happen until the list is created. Then there may be a Binance listing coming soon when the certification audit is completed. CertiK audit. We don't know the details regarding the CertiK audit, and I guess the audit is currently progressing to 95%. We are moving closer to the conclusion of the audit. Any suggestions are welcome. CertiK audit is 100% complete. Russell Armand, Setima CEO. We are discussing exchanges. The recent comments of Russell have caused a bit of division in the group. They have generated lots of rage within the community with his statement that we don't require Coinbase. Still, as I mentioned earlier, there's been mixed reactions to the announcement by Russell, with some believing he is in the context of Coinbase while others believe the point of the CEO are in agreement. Besides, Russell did say that his staff is currently in touch with all exchanges and that in the near future, Setima will be available on all exchanges in the Tier 1 marketplace. We must not forget that Setoma's purpose is to be an exchange. Therefore, looking at things from that perspective, you can say that Russell is right when he states that Setima doesn't need any exchange.